Thank you. I said thank you. I was driving too fast. She was driving too fast. Everybody knew. Everybody was driving too fast. I almost died to a Honda Civic once. It was in the middle of the road, around a blind corner, picking someone up. I was not happy with that whole situation. But, hello everyone, it is I, Chris, back with a moto vlog, and I am extremely stressed. But today's mission, should we choose to accept it, which I mean we are because I'm driving that way and I'm fucking curious. It's Drumline Minicamp, and I know a bunch of the people who do the drum tap diddle fart band. So, I mean that in a loving, endearing drum tap diddle fart band. I don't mean it in a negative way, because I mean I did drum tap diddle fart band, you know? Oh, you hit that ball. So, it's Drumline Minicamp weekend shit. It is Sunday at like 5 though, and I feel like they're already done. But I'm a nosy asshole, so I'm gonna go see if anyone is still here. My girlfriend used to live in this building. I don't know which one to turn into. Can I go both ways? Yeah, I don't know if I can go down this way or that way, and there's no stop sign. It's just anarchy. Anarchy everywhere. I don't hear shit. Now it looks like they're gone. On a scale of 1 to gone, it looks like they're gone. Yeah, I would say they're gone. Unless they're at the field. So my battery is also like about to die, so I should probably hurry up and talk about shit. So, I am confirmed moving to, I always want to say McClintock, but that isn't fucking right at all. I don't know where I'm moving. It starts with a Mick, and I think there's a Lul in it. That's really all I got. McClintle, but who are you? I don't know you. So yeah, I'm moving. I can start moving Wednesday. This is Sunday because I'm awful and I only record shit the day before I have to post it, which is like the stupid way to do shit. Everybody, like, well, everyone, all the smart people, aka everybody but me, records a bunch of shit and then they upload it and schedule it so that way they like don't have to worry about it for a minute. I have to worry about it all the time because I'm dumb. So yeah, so moving is real stressful, but you know, you gotta move what you gotta move, you know what I mean? So that dude fucking ran for that shit. Going behind me? No. Whee! Yeah, everybody's gone. Everyone left. Live the dream. Oh, I don't know if that door is open. Is that door open? No. So content will be scarce. Over the next couple, probably week, because I can start moving on Wednesday, and I have to be out whatever the fuck the 31st is at noon, so I doubt I'll be streaming or making videos in that time. I'm gonna try to make a couple tonight, so that way at least my YouTube will have something interesting going on. And yeah, but moving's gonna be dope because it's only like $500 a month, something like that, plus utilities. So I mean, right now I'm paying $460 just myself. My girlfriend is paying $460 plus electric. So whatever. Quality content. And skirt. Dope. Big hole. Alright. So yeah, that's my life. Again, kind of a boring moto vlog, but you know, whatever. I don't really have anything else to talk about. Working kind of blows. I like working in the deli, but I mean, it's certainly not something that I want to do for the rest of my life. You know, I mean, I have a master's in music. Like, I want to do shit that involves that. Come on. Is my headlight out? JK. Lol. I got pulled over for that once. Twice, actually, in the same day. So, yep. That's gonna do it for me, I think, because I'm tired. I've been at work for like a long time, the past like fucking 5 days in a row. And I work tomorrow. I'm tired as shit. So, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to get videos out, maybe stream, but yeah, that's my life. Sorry, not sorry, kind of sorry. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.